Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding your Authenticator app to your Amazon account. In this tutorial, you will learn how to secure your account using two-step verification with a few simple clicks and entries. To begin with, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the main Amazon website. Type the address into your browser's search bar and wait for the home page to load. This initial step is crucial as it serves as the starting point for the process of securing your account. Once you are on the Amazon homepage, direct your attention to the navigation menu at the top of the page. Look for the option that says Account and Lists. This section is typically accessible from the upper right hand corner, where you can access various account settings and tools. Clicking on Account and Lists will reveal a drop-down menu that provides direct access to your personal account features. After selecting Account and Lists, your next task is to locate and click on Login and Security. This section is dedicated to managing all aspects of your account's security settings, including passwords, phone numbers, and other verifications. When you enter the login and security area, prepare to open up the specific two-step verification settings that are fundamental for adding your Authenticator app. Within the login and security section, scroll down until you find the two-step verification option. This part of the settings confirms that you are ready to add an extra layer of security to your account. Click on the two-step verification option to begin the process. You will then see an option to turn on two-step verification, where you need to actively click on the Turn on Control. This step initiates the system that integrates the Authenticator app into your account management. At this stage, you will be required to enter a verification code. This code is a crucial element in confirming your identity and ensuring that the process is secure. Carefully check your email or your existing verification method to find the recent 6-digit code. Type the verification code accurately into the box that is provided. Once you are confident the code has been entered correctly, move on to the next step. After entering the verification code, click on Submit Code. This confirms that you have provided the correct information and that Amazon can safely process your account update. With code submission complete, the screen will now give you further options. Look for the prompt pertaining to the Authenticator app. Clicking on the Authenticator app option directs you towards setting up an additional layer of security. In the final step of this process, the Authenticator app option is activated, linking your chosen app to your Amazon account securely. Following through with these instructions provides an extra means to safeguard your personal information and ensure that any unauthorized attempts to access your account are prevented. This comprehensive process not only secures your account, but also gives you added confidence while managing your online activities. Enjoy the enhanced security and peace of mind that comes with setting up your Authenticator app on Amazon.